हेलो यूट्यूब फैमिली, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल लाइव 360 वाइब्स। आज मैं आई हूँ कामराज रोड। सो बच्चों के लिए जो टॉयस रहता है, सो पूरे टॉयस की कलेक्शंस देखने के लिए मैं आई हूँ यहाँ पर। और यहाँ पर 365 डेज की ऑफर भी चलता है। सो अंदर चल के देखते हैं कि क्या ऑफर्स है, क्या डिस्काउंट्स है, क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स है। ओनर ओनर पे मिलेंगे हम ओनर को और पूरे दुकान एक्सप्लोर करेंगे। हेलो सर।
Hello, madam. Good evening.
वेरी गुड
Good
इवनिंग सर,
evening.
हाउ आर यू? हाउ आर यू सर?
Good, good. How are you, madam?
I'm really doing great, sir. So, can you please explain about your shop and
Yes.
location and about yourself?
This is the third generation.
Okay,
We, our grandfather started this, 1928. So
okay,
they established.
okay,
So, we have been continuing this business.
mm-hmm.
Earlier we had in Russell Market.
Okay,
Now, we opened here.
okay,
It's about 2 decades now.
okay,
And we have, starting from newborn
okay,
up to teen, 15 years.
okay. Where is the exact location of this shop?
This is on Kamaraj Road. Our shop name is Toy House.
Okay. So, you can see this is a toy house in Kamraj Road, Bangalore. So, there's a number is also displayed. You can have a call anytime. So,
Pin code is 560042.
okay. So, can we get in and explore the
Sure,
shop?
please. You're welcome. Come. Door open.
सो आप देख सकते हो गाइस, यहाँ पर बहुत सारे बच्चों के लिए कलेक्शंस है। सो जो यूनिक पीसेस है मैं मैक्सिमम कवर करने के लिए कोशिश करती हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत सारा आइटम है। एक ही वीडियो पे मैं पूरा कवर अप तो नहीं कर सकती हूँ, बट आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट टू explore many things and show some unique pieces.
Something like this.
0 months baby.
Yes,
Okay.
this is from newborn to toddler.
Okay.
This is like a rocker,
Okay.
and
So
this,
what will be the prices of this?
this would cost around 4,300.
Okay. So is this after offer price or
Yes,
there
it's
is
after discount.
Okay.
Yes.
It's nice to know, sir. So the quality wise everything is
Everything
A1,
it's very good,
nice.
good quality,
Okay.
very fast selling product.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is this, sir?
This one basically, it has got this kind of swing
Okay.
operation, and
Okay.
then this you can dismantle it.
Mm-hmm.
You can even use it as a hanging swing.
Oh, hanging
Swing.
Two in
also.
one.
2 in 1.
Oh, that's nice. Sir.
It's something new.
Okay. This is carry cord.
This is carry cot.
Okay.
This all again is for the newborn.
Okay. That's fine. So you can just show it like that, so that I can just. So what will be the prices of this, sir?
This is about 2,500.
Oh, it's very affordable price.
Yes.
So we have baby walkers also.
Yes.
Okay.
This kind of baby walkers we have.
Okay. So what will be the start range to end
Starting
range
range
of this?
1,700, and
Okay.
it goes up to 2,500.
Okay. And you will have a lunch boxes for
Yes,
kids.
we have some plastic household items.
Okay. And even for girls, all such toys.
Dolls
So
we have.
this toys cost start range to end range, sir?
Starting range, about 200 onwards.
Okay.
We have up to 3,000.
Oh,
Yes.
nice. So start ranges is very affordable price, 200 rupees,
Yes.
and end price is also like affordable, 3,000
Yes.
prices.
Yes.
बहुत अच्छा है, sir. Let's move for next, sir.
Like this is all meant for 1 year old.
Okay.
All this.
So there is a wide varieties, guys. In one
Yes.
video, I'll not be able to show. So please do visit the shop and explore. So where they will be having a 365 days of offer on all the prices. So for boys, all this varieties of guns collections they have. And what will be the start to end range, sir, of this?
Gun starting range about 250 onwards,
Okay.
and it goes up to 3,000.
Very nice. You can see there is a wide varieties of collection for
Blocks,
all the boys. Oh,
Games.
okay.
We have building blocks, games, educational, board games.
Okay.
We have jigsaw puzzles.
Okay.
We have sports, football, basketball.
So car craze people can see this. There's a lot of collections, guys. Educational purpose.
Yes, all this.
Okay.
all
Snip,
these.
snip, find one, found it.
Yes.
Blocks.
Skillmatic's a very good brand.
Okay.
So in this, there's a lot of range.
Okay. So in this also there is a lot of 4 to 9 years.
Yes.
old.
Different age group.
Oh, Pokemon in art also is there. Very nice.
All this.
Okay. So what will be the start range to end ranges of
Starting
all the stores?
about 250 onwards,
Okay.
up to we have 1500,
Oh.
2000, close to. These
So
are
you
all
can
wooden
see this
puzzles,
wooden puzzles.
number puzzles.
Oh, it just starts from 230 rupees.
Yes.
Very affordable prices. So you can see Magical Garden, Jungle Garden, Jurassic Garden. So
We
there's
have some splash pools,
Okay. Splash pools.
splash pool
Wow.
for babies.
Nice. And we have this kind of learning sessions, blogs also. So there's a lot many. Even the chess is available, guys, here. And the quality wise is A1, so there is no any compromise on the quality also. All branded.
We have some magnetic blocks.
Wow.
These are all very unique items,
Very nice.
fast selling.
So there is for kids some toys.
And we have some even instruments like guitar,
Okay.
keyboard varieties.
So how much does this cost, sir? Guitar. This is the original one,
750.
right? It's for
basically
playing.
for children.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
So, and this kind of mechanics engineering system for creative kids. So there is a many artworks are here. So you can see.
We have the science kits like
Oh.
telescope.
Okay, so this is a
Very
telescope.
unique.
Sir. So this price
That's about 1,960.
1960. Very nice. So whatever is in the label, that is
Yes, that-
after offer
Yes,
price,
after
right?
discount.
Wow, nice. So you guys can see there are a lot of varieties of kits over here, and there is something Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels. It's a very
90s
hot
kids
selling
might
item.
know
Yes.
this because most of the time we had played in this.
Right,
only.
right.
So Hot Wheels. In this, each kind of cars are available.
Yes, every full range we have.
Okay. So what will be the price of this?
This sorry.
That's nice. So this is just 2,880 and you'll be
Yeah.
getting most of the collection in this Hot Wheels, guys. So whoever is crazy about Hot Wheels can come and purchase here. So each collection is available here. And you can see there are a lot of games over here. It's like in one video I'll not be able to capture all the items because you guys can see how the shop is. It's full of toys.
We have Barbie dolls.
Very nice.
Barbie dolls
Toys.
for girls.
Okay. So this is of only 1,535.
Yeah.
Very nice. Oh, remote control cars.
Yes.
Very nice. So in this also we have a lot of varieties, right?
Lot of varieties. We have about 100 and 150 varieties we have.
150 varieties.
Yes,
Very
remote
nice.
control
So
car.
can you just show me that one racing
Yes.
car? So even this is remote based, sir.
Yes, remote.
Wow, guys, you guys can see how beautiful this car is. So what is this price of this?
This is about 550.
That's it.
Yes.
Very nice. Very affordable price. This is JCB truck collections. So
Yes.
you guys can see like there is each collection of truck JCB truck, and there is a gun also over here.
That is
And-
3-in-1 gun.
Okay.
It operates in darts.
Mhm.
Then you get bubbles in that.
Wow.
Yes.
So there's
And
a
then
lot
you
of
get those jelly
specification
balls.
there.
Yes, it's 3-in-1. It's
Okay.
a 3-in-1 gun.
Very nice.
Very interesting item.
It's most recommended products over here.
Yes.
You guys can see like it's a 3-in-1 here. That there is a specification. So apart from this, you guys can see here we have a
We have
Bensari
some-
collections. Right?
It's a tent house
Okay.
like this. A tent.
So they can build a tent like
Build
this.
a tent and child can get in and play.
Oh,
Yes.
very nice. It's kind of in Disney. They
For 2+,
2+.
up to 6 years.
Okay. What is this price, sir?
1,150
Very nice. Affordable
with
prices.
LED lighting.
Oh, inside there will be
Inside,
lighting also.
yes, lighting.
Wow. This is
It's a rolling funland forest.
Oh,
It's a new product.
okay.
You just set up like this and you place a ball on top.
Oh,
It
it
will
gets
roll through
rotated
this,
over there.
yes.
Oh, wow, nice. What is the price of this?
This is about 750.
Very nice. So it's very cheap and affordable prices. Baby mats.
Baby mats.
Okay.
This kind of mats.
Okay.
It's
So
soft.
this is for small kids.
Yes.
Born babies.
Yes, for newborn.
Wow. What is the price
Soft.
of this, sir?
This is 960.
960.
960.
Very nice.
Have-
Okay.
Then pretend and play doctor set we have.
Doctor sets, kitchen set.
Beauty set we have. Fashion
Okay.
beauty set.
Wow. So all this we used to play in 90s. Now
Yes.
it has come in the
You know,
upgraded mode.
yes.
So you guys can see there is too many makeup,
Makeup.
sets also, and child desires like this.
Yes.
Small kids you have.
Then we have
And-
some soft toys.
Okay, so soft toys are
Soft
on
toys
the
also we
top.
have.
So you guys can see there is a lot of collection in soft toys. So here you can see there's an
Cuddly
example.
teddy bear.
Very nice. So teddy bear starts range, sir?
Starting from 250,
Okay. Ends.
ends up to 1500.
वेरी नाइस। सो जैसे आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो बहुत सारे प्रीमियम कलेक्शन है। स्टार्टिंग रेंज 200 to 50 में सब मिल जाएंगे आपको। यहाँ पर भी देख सकते हो बहुत क्यूट सा लाइन भी है जो 760 रुपीज़ में मिल रहा है। एंड यू गाइस एबल टू सी दिस काइंड ऑफ टॉयज।
Giraffe
premium collection.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ.
And Doraemon, each and every collections are available here.
And the
आप देख सकते हो साइकिल से लेके
Mont
bike, हर एक चीज़ अवेलेबल है यहाँ पर। यहाँ पर आपको मिल जाएंगे बहुत यूनिक कलेक्शन ऑफ कार, पुलिस कार, जीप और इस टाइप की कलेक्शंस मिल जाएंगे आपको। सो यहाँ पर बहुत प्रीमियम कलेक्शंस ऑफ
this is a ball pool.
गाड़ी और टॉयज।
Yeah.
तो यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो बहुत सारे यूनिक कलेक्शंस अवेलेबल है यहाँ पर।
Yeah,
और
yeah.
यहाँ पर देख सकते हो
Yeah, sure.
मैं पूरा कवर नहीं कर रही हूँ, पार्ट 2 भी आने की
This when you all
कोशिश
started
करूँगी पकड़ने की।
this
मैक्सिमम मैं कवर करी हूँ क्योंकि आप देख सकते हो स्टोर में इतनी सारी वैरायटी से कहाँ से शुरू करूँ, कहाँ से खत्म करूँ, समझ में नहीं आता है कैसे। So यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो। Okay, these all are the carom boards.
carom boards.
Okay. So in this we have a small size.
Small size
medium
also
and
we
large.
have. Yes.
Okay.
We have
So
different sizes.
what is the prices of carom?
Starting 975.
Okay. Ends?
Ends up to 3000 rupees
Very nice.
for babies.
Okay.
Starting
ball-
from 1 year onwards
Okay.
up to 3 years.
What is the price of this, sir?
This is 2700.
Wow.
But you get starting from 1100.
Okay, very nice. So can you please explain me? I have seen starting here this bikes.
Yes.
So could you
We have
please-
motorized.
Okay,
These are all motorized bikes.
okay,
This is starting from 3 years onwards.
okay.
In this, we have even Jeep.
Oh, Jeep
Yes,
also.
we
is
have a
available.
Jeep, motorized
Ah.
Jeep is over there.
Okay,
And then we have motorized scooters.
scooters also.
Scooters. We
Okay,
have motorized scooters.
okay. So this is start to end range, sir?
Starting from 4500 onwards.
Okay.
And up to 10,500 we have.
Oh.
Hello, sir. Good evening. Then if the wheel goes down, it
Okay.
becomes a ride-on.
Oh.
It is 2-in-1.
So this is just for 2,300 something, right,
Yes.
sir? Wow.
You get two things starting from 1 year onwards.
Oh, that's nice, sir. So in caroms also, I've seen something interesting over here.
Yes,
So-
this is a colorful carom board,
Okay.
all with Disney prints.
Mm-hmm.
You get two sizes in this.
Wow, very nice. So for kids, it's an attractive caramel.
Yes.
Oh, what all
Like
this
Ludo.
games? It's kind of a Ludo, right?
Yes, Ludo.
Wow, very
One
nice.
side is Ludo, another side is
It's
carom,
carom board.
Carom
So 2-in-1 options
Two
you're
in one,
giving. Very
two in
nice. What is the price of this?
450.
Wow, it's
Four-
just for 450.
Just 450.
Very nice.
Tub.
Oh, baby bathtub.
Yes.
Wow.
Foldable one.
Like
It's a
Korean type it comes.
Yes. Yes. It's a foldable bath tub
Tub.
with bucket and all that,
Oh,
other
all the
accessories.
stuff, accessories.
Yes.
Wow, water, scoop, 4 pieces set.
Yes.
3-in-1.
3-in-1.
Very nice. So what is the price of this, sir?
This costs around 3,540.
Wow. So just in 3,000 for baby, it's very hygiene thing
Yes.
also, and it's a foldable thing. Very
Foldable.
nice. Very nice. Tricycle start range to end range, sir?
1,500 onwards.
Okay.
Up to 2,500 we have cycles.
Very nice. So guys, try cycle.
And then we have some furnitures like table and chair,
Okay.
study table and chair.
So this is a table and chair.
Table, yeah.
I
A
think
chair and
with wall clock it is there.
Yes.
Am I right? Wow.
this gets fixed here.
It's really nice. So this is a table and this is the
This is
chair.
the chair.
So what
It's a
will be the cost of this, sir?
This is 3,650.
Wow. It's very pretty and affordable price.
Adjustable. The height is adjustable.
Oh, very nice. So guys, you guys can see it's very affordable prices and very pretty with the wall clock you'll be getting over here. Where if baby want to give a knowledge on the time watching also you can give. So
And
this is
as a
very
pen
unique.
stand.
Okay.
And then it's got a shelf down.
Wow. It's nice. So it's adjustable shelf, table and a chair. So it's really pretty, guys. So there's a lot of collections to explore over here. So this is a one leg scooter,
Yes,
right?
one leg scooter
Okay.
like this.
So in this also we have a lot of varieties.
Yes, lot of
So what will be the start ranges of this?
1,600 onwards.
Oh, that's nice. So you guys can see. So this is a scooter for kids if you guys want to give in starting
For
trial. you
indoor
guys
and
can-
outdoor
Oh, nice.
storage containers.
Okay. Tin containers.
We have drawers,
Oh,
drawers. We
so
have
it's kind of one-stop destination for kids, and if they wanted a house kitchen items.
yes,
also
household
they get
items.
it. Very nice. So just kind of buckets, tables,
Yes,
chairs.
yes. We have stools, bath stools,
Okay.
bath stools.
Do you deal with the wholesale also, sir?
No, we are a semi wholesaler.
Semi-wholesale.
Semi-wholesale.
If someone
Direct
is-
to customers, retailers. We do
Okay,
business.
that's nice.
That?
Okay.
You know, this business was started from a grandfather period,
Mm-hmm.
so it's a third generation.
Okay.
So you know, we have established here for the past 20 years,
Oh, nice.
and earlier we had a shop in Russell Market.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have, for the past 20 years, we have been doing this business here,
Oh,
in this
that-
premises.
Oh, that's really great to know, sir, and all the best for your business.
Thank you,
So
Pleasure.
we wish you all the luck,
thank you,
and for sure, if any customers comes, hopefully they'll be happy because I've seen a lot of collection in your
Sure.
store.
sure.
So I hope everyone will be happy with your store.
Thank you,
Thank you so much.
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you so much for
thank you,
cooperating.
thank you.
सो गाइस आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पर बहुत सारे कलेक्शन है, बट मैं मैक्सिमम कलेक्शन से कवर किया. सो ऐसे आपको पार्ट 2 देखना है तो मेरे कमेंट सेक्शन पे आप कमेंट कर सकते हो, मैं आके और एक वीडियो ले लूँगी. सो ऐसे इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियोस देखने
Number
के लिए
Toyos
मेरे
card.
चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए लाइव 360 वाइब्स, और स्टे ट्यून्ड गाइस. प्लीज़ डू लाइक शेयर कमेंट टू माय चैनल. थैंक यू.